You gonna do it? Ready? Oh my God! Your hair! I didn't even think about it. Oh my God! Look at his hair. I got you on video. You, Carlos, you're a hot mess. Let me get the back of it. Oh Lord. Your hair. Yeah, it's just a lot of crap in here. Take a picture of it. I got it on video. Everybody's gonna see it. That's alright. I'll watch it. Oh my God. Yeah. Alright.